In this video, I'll be showing you how to hide desktop icons on Windows 11. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. But anyways, getting into it, it's very simple to go ahead and do this, and you can do it on any Windows 11 device that you have. So what you can also do is hide all icons globally. So use this route to instantly vanish every single file, folder, and application shortcut from your desktop screen layout without actually deleting any data. So what you want to do is navigate to your desktop, right click, and then hover your mouse over the view option like so, and then you're going to see show desktop icons. All I want to do is go ahead and uncheck it, and then that's it. They're all going to be hidden, and yeah, it's going to completely go blank, but your files aren't gone. They're safely resting inside your user storage database. So to restore them, literally just repeat the process, and then I can press show desktop icons again, and as you can see, now they're all back. Now, what I could also do is, if I want to hide selective icons only, is right click on an empty area, then go ahead and find personalize. Now, once I'm within personalize, click on the themes page. Once I'm within themes, scroll down, and then I want to go ahead and find desktop icon settings. Now I can choose exactly what's on my desktop and exactly what isn't. Now, if you found this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe.